So hello friends, as you can see on my back side, it is a Italian street market. So here I am just going to show you means how they are looking, what are the price and what are the products we can visit, because this is the common market. Here many street vendors and some sellers will come and they will sell their products. So let's see the market and see the price. So let's start the video. So let's start with the grapes, because Italy is famous for its grapes and wine. So always start with the famous product from any country. So here the grapes are very big in size, and this is the strawberry, common everywhere, and this red one is the raspberry, and at the back you can see that black one, that is the blueberry. So in Italy I found many berries, because berry is very famous, and we can see the pineapple, and here in the middle you can see the red grapes. Actually it is not a red, I think it is a pink grapes, and also we have black grapes. So 3 to 4 varieties are there in grapes, and these are all kind of like a plum. And really here when I came here I saw different varieties of plum and different shapes in plum, and it is really very interesting to me to see those plums. And here is the peach, as you can see this yellow one, it is a peach, and it is a very quite easy to identify peach and plum. And here we can see one different variety of peach. So I have tested 2 to 3 varieties of peach, so it is really very good to taste different varieties. And this is the cherry, which is very famous. I think this is the summer, and we are finding these kinds of fruits and all. And here we can see the apple. Actually this is not the apple season, actual apple season, even though they are selling the apple products. And here we can see the fig. We have normal 2 varieties in fig, that is normal green one, which is common everywhere, but this is variegated and red one I found it here for the first time. And here you can see the cherry tomato, and here in tomato also I found different varieties. As you can see here, different varieties in tomato. Already on like vegetables, I had made a video on vegetables, so I think you can see that video if you want to see the vegetables. And here one new beans I found, that is shelling beans it is called, and I don't know the other character of these beans. And here zucchini or something it is called, it is very famous here because they eat the fruits, they eat the flowers. This is zucchini flowers, so it is very famous. I think it is one of the common vegetables. They make soup or something, I don't know what is this. And the vegetables, and also already I told you now, already I had made a video on the vegetables, so I'm not going to focus on the vegetable. So summer means mango. Okay, so one mango is for €1, as you can see here. And here we can see the sweet corn, so 3 sweet corn for €2. So I didn't try sweet corn here because of the price and all. I do not want to simply go for this. I want to try new fruits and vegetables which I didn't find in India. And here we can see the melon, musk melon. I think it is one of the different variety, maybe European variety. And here I want to show some vegetables which I missed in my last video, that is one of the bhendi, and other vegetables are there. You can see different summer vegetables which we can find in this video, like bottle gourd, mushroom, and some other vegetables we can see, and fruits when also. There's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go, all I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that I can surrender to you. And here we can see different kinds of berries, that is blueberry, blackberry, and different berries are there. Really I don't know, and I think this is also a kind of berry, but I don't know the name of this berry. And it is my first time. First I saw that, then I thought it is like mulberry, because as you can see this is looking like mulberry, but this is not the mulberry. Actually it is a kind of blueberry, because when I taste it, it have seeds which we don't find in like mulberry. And this is the red currant, and it is looking very ornamental type and very shiny, but I never tried this because I feared because it is looking very strange, because it is very artificial type, so I didn't try it. And here you can see the papaya, half papaya for 400 rupees. It is very interesting to see. And again some different varieties of mango. I think it is 1.5 euros, so 100 rupees or 150 rupees per mango. And at the back we can see the dragon fruit, which is very good. And also I don't know the name what is this, and the kiwi and all, it is very common. Kiwi, pear and all, these are very common here, and the price is also okay, not that bad.
What is the cost of this? What is the cost of this watermelon?
What the fuck?
Not 2 euro, it's 14.7 euro, man. 2.49 euro per
Something in the video. For 12 euro in Iran you can buy the van of watermelon.
Means they are charging for 2.49 euro per kg.
So here we can see the walnut. So walnut is also very famous, and we can buy the nut with shell, and we can also buy the separated one, that is costly when compared to this. So and we can also see different type of melons and all. And here we can see the different types of apple, 2 to 3 varieties and colors are there, but I will tell you later about the apple. But here see the pear, but I don't know why there is a red tip in the pear. And some fruits I found this is common. I don't know the science behind this, but I think if I found I will share to you. And here we can see some citrus fruits, different citrus fruits are there. So this is apple. It is approximately 2 kg per packet. It will cost 200 to 250 euro. And this is the loquat fruit, what is very watery and somewhat sour in taste. They are very good. I have tasted it. It is really very nice to experience this type of fruits for the first time in my life. So now let's move to the summer fruits. Different varieties of melons are here, because this is summer, so and they are not very high. It will cost approximately 150 to 200 rupees per kg, even the watermelon. So and also here the bananas are based on the kg, and here different varieties. I found different varieties of melon, and here we can see the red tip on the fruit. I don't know the science behind this, so I will try to find it why they are on all this. So these are the things and fruits which we found in Europe. I try to collect the fruits in summer season only. So in winter we can add some 2 to 3 varieties or maybe 4 to 5 varieties extra fruits. So this is all about the fruits.